All right, this is for question number 9 on final exam practice, and this is for my regular math point, 245 students, not the NOL. But all right, let's see. Um, in a survey of 2,443 adults in a recent year, 1,353 say they have made a New Year's resolution. So we're looking at proportion, right? Out of this many people, this is the number of people who made New Year's resolution. So we're going to be doing proportion stat. We're looking at proportion of people who did this. All right, so it says construct a 90% and 95% confidence interval for population proportion. I'm gonna go ahead and just make the first one because the second one is super easy. It's just the same, just gotta change the level, okay? So like I said, I'm opening up proportion stat because we're working with proportion of people who made New Year's resolutions. So go to stat, go down to proportion stat, and this is one sample, right? They took a big sample of 2,443 people with summary, and then type in that the number of success, and these are the number of people who made New Year's resolution, and the number of observation is just a sample size, 2,443. Tell them that you want a confidence interval for P. First one that I want is 90%, so that's all I have to type. So the interval is from, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, 0.537. Whoopsie, not negative, 0. All right, the upper limit is 0.570. So if you just switch the level to 0.95, you should be able to find a 90%, 95% confidence interval. And I believe they will ask you to compare them. If you increase the confidence level, the confidence interval will get wide. So 90, you know what, let's go ahead and finish this up. It's a short one. So the lower limit is 0.534 and the upper limit is 0.5774. Yeah, my typos, All right, and 95% confidence interval will be wider than 90% because if you look at the numbers, this one stretches down further in the lower limit and this one stretches high up in the upper limit. So with the given confidence, it can be said that the population proportion of adults who say they made a New Year resolution is between the endpoints of the given confidence intervals. And we're going to tell them that 95% confidence interval is wider. As you increase the confidence level, what happens is this critical value that we multiply to the margin of error. To get the margin of error gets bigger. So that's why the confidence interval will get wider. Okay, so that's it for question number 9 on the final exam practice.